Buying a car could be one of the biggest purchases many middle class families make, especially here in Delhi and many other parts of the countries also. A car is not just a machine, it's a symbol that you have arrived. Since this is a personal finance channel, we know it's not just about choosing a car, it's about smart budgeting, smart financing, and avoiding surprises. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Wallah English. Most content shows ex-showroom prices, but on-road cost in Delhi, registration, taxes, insurance and more is what really matters. So today we are looking at best cars under 10 lakh rupees on-road in Delhi for November 2025. And I will give you some smart advices which can help you to buy smartly. Before jumping into a car model, let's have a quick checklist before that. So here comes down payment. Always aim for 20-30% so that your EMIs could be reasonable. Your EMI budget should come under 30 to 40% of your monthly income. For example, if you earn like around 50,000 per month, so your EMIs, ideally it should not be more than 20,000. Now comes the loan tenure. Always keep this in mind that you have to keep your loans short, loan tenure short. Avoid keeping it more than 5 years so that you can also reduce the interest cost. And now if we compare the interest rates, always check for different offers which are offered by the banks or the NBFCs versus if you are getting it from any dealer financing. Don't just consider purchasing the car at the price only. Always consider the total cost, which includes the fuel cost, the maintenance, tires, insurance, servicing and etc. Now comes the emergency fund. Always make sure that you have certain emergency fund like in a backup so that if any other unexpected expenses come, you should not have this thing that all my money I've put in one car only. And let's have a look at the top 6 cars which you can buy under 10 lakh rupees. Make sure that you always confirm the variant plus the exact pricing with your local dealer. Okay friends, before moving forward, I want to tell you about one more investment which is most important for you and your family's financial future. And in this, Policy Bazaar is helping you with their term insurance and health insurance. Their term insurance premium starts with just 699 per month, where you can get a coverage of up to 2 crores, and they are also giving 15% discount. Their health insurance starts with 400 to 500 rupees per month premium, and they are giving a coverage of up to 1 crore. They are also giving 30-minute claim support, and more than 50 insurers are listed on their platform where you can just check and select which one is best for you. The link is in the description. Do check that out. Let's move on to the video. First comes Maruti Suzuki Swift VXI model hatchback. Now, question is why you should buy it. So it is an excellent city hatch. It is reliable. It has a strong service network as well. Few features are like dual airbags, ABS plus EBD, LED projector, headlamps, touchscreen with Android, auto CarPlay. Engine is 1.2 liters petrol, 90 PS, mileage is 21 to 23 kilometers per hour. Its pros are the best mileage, low running cost, and strong resale value. Cons are like the rear seat is a bit tight for tall passengers, and also this car doesn't have any diesel option. The on-road price for Delhi estimation is 7.8 lakhs to 8.2 lakhs for VXI variant. The next car is Maruti Suzuki Dzire ZXI, which is a sedan variant. Why you should buy it? It is a spacious family sedan car. It has a smooth ride and it is efficient also. Features are like 6 airbags, hill hold assist, touch screen, rear AC vents, keyless entry, which comes in ZXI variant only. So engine is 1.2 liters petrol, 90 PS, mileage is 24 kilometers per liter. Pros are like it has a good boot, reliable brand, and resale value is also good. Cons are like some variants slightly above 10 lakhs if you want to have a premium features, and if you go for white color, it might look little taxish. The on-road price for Delhi estimation is like base model starts from 9.8 lakhs, whereas ZXI model starts from 10.3 lakhs to 10.5 lakhs. The third car is Tata Punch XZ Plus petrol variant, and it is a compact SUV. Now why you should buy this? Because it looks good, it has a high ground clearance, it has a good safety rating also. Features are like touchscreen infotainment, 16-inch alloys, rear parking sensors, which comes in higher variants. Engine is 1.2 liters petrol, 86 PS, mileage 18 to 20 kilometers per liter. Pros are it is strong in safety and it comes with urban and mild rough road friendly terms also. Cons are like it doesn't have any diesel option, plus if you go for any bad roads then it could be bit stiff. The on-road price for Delhi estimation is like base model starts with 7 lakhs and XD Plus model starts with 9 lakhs. Fourth is Hyundai Venue base E and E Plus model. It is also a compact SUV. Why you should consider it? Like it is a value for money, it is a trusted brand, it is good for city plus highway mix. Features are it gives dual airbags, ABS, touchscreen in E+, rear parking sensors are also there. Engine is 1.2 liters petrol, mileage is 17.5 to 18 kilometers per liter. Pros are like it is spacious, it is a comfortable ride, and there are many service outlets for this company also. Cons are like if you want few premium features, the price may exceed more than 10 lakhs and its services are very limited in rural areas. If you go for on-road price for Delhi, estimation for base E is 8.4 lakhs and E plus it starts with 9 lakhs. Fifth one is Renault Triber RXZ petrol. It is a 7-seater MUV. Why you should consider it? Because it is a better option for larger families. Features are it has 2 airbags, ABS system, touchscreen and parking sensors. Engine is 1 liter, petrol is 72 PS, mileage is 19 to 20 kilometers per liter. Pros are it is a family size car, it is affordable also. Cons are like it has low power output and it feels like a cabin. On-road price for Delhi estimation is around 9.3 lakhs to 9.8 lakhs. Now comes the last car, which is Maruti Suzuki Brezza VXI. Why you should consider this? Because this is a balanced mixture of comfort. It also had good features and it is reliable for urban buyers. Features includes like dual airbags, ABS, touchscreen, rear AC vents and auto climate control. The engine is 1.5 liters, petrol 105 PS, mileage is 17 to 19 kilometers per liter. Its pros are fuel efficient for SUVs and it has a wide service network also. Cons are that there is no turbo petrol engine and it is not built for heavy off-road. The on-road price for Delhi estimation is the base model starts from 8.3 lakhs and the price for VXI starts from 9.6 lakhs to 9.8 lakhs. Friends, always note that these on-road prices are approximately for Delhi as of November 2025 and they also include ex-showroom basic price, which is again approx according to the latest for 2025. Delhi vehicle registration and state taxes may vary and it could be little high also, and basic insurance, standard accessories, actual variant, color choices, discounts and dealer incentives can also vary the final amount. So always check with your local dealer for the exact quote. Always remember that you should always pick a car that fits your budget and use case, not just for hype. So check service network and replacement part cost, especially in Delhi and NCR. Remember, running costs like fuel, insurance, tires, maintenance will always impact your monthly budget. So you should take care of your monthly budget as well. Keep a buffer for unforeseen expenses also, like any accidents or big repairs. Do not spend all your savings at one purchase. Friends, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts related to this video, do let me know in the comment section. And I am Ansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Boss Wallah. Be the boss.